All right, you guys, so I missed my last job, but this one I'm going to catch. So it's the Mercedes Ml550. If you are starting your car and you hear it being extra like that, so there's airflow that's supposed to be coming in through these front vents right here, going straight into your engine on both sides. Now what that does is it mixes with the fuel, and if you don't have proper airflow, then it's going to overcompensate for the fuel by pressing out more fuel, lowering the fuel economy, or it's going to pump out more air, which makes your fuel lean. It's either going to be rich or lean in the reading, and you don't want either one of those. You want proper mixture of air to fuel. So easy way to do it, this is a pull system. Boom, you twist, pull off, boom, that's easy. These ones have a bottom clamp on it. I already started to take the top ones off, but I said, hold on, let me go videotape this. You take the top clamps off, you pull it towards the bottom, then you pull it back. So simple, right? But it'll save you so much gas mileage. You come over, and you drop it down, and you pick up your new babies. Oh, you're probably gonna need this type of a pick to get the unit off without damaging it. Then one-handed, you know what I'm saying? We got the new joints. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna install these, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's installed. Ping. Another clip. I know this may seem like a good idea to put like dryer hose, because it's like, okay, cool, it's insulated in regards to heat, but check in here. There is no seal, and without the seal, air is going to escape out here around this one, and you don't want that. You want it to be sealed so that you can get proper airflow into this tube. First one's already been installed, golden. Second one's about to be installed, but pulling back on there and hit my finger, yeah, my fingers is all jacked up. It's okay. You know why? Because I worked hard. But at the same token, don't do this. Look at that. It's not, look, there's no seal, no freaking seal, man. Crazy. Wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna show you. You go underneath here with a pick. Doesn't really matter about this one because it's old and you're gonna throw it away anyway. But with the new ones, you want to be really careful. Go underneath there, pull up on the tab. Right, go underneath here, push it forward, pull up and over this tab, because that tab is what's holding it in. Right, now with the other hand, it's already over the tab, so you just pull a little bit back, okay? Pull up and down that way, so it goes over the lip that's on the bottom. I'll take it off, then I'll show you. See, because there's a third one on the bottom, and you want to like pull down on that, because you got to think it's the same mechanics as the top part. So, boom, boom. Now let's put it together. All right, now they're both installed. See the difference in the way that looks? Just so beautiful. Just so beautiful. Now the best part is, let's go see what it sounds like when we start it up. Check it out. Coolant level, whatever, we gotta check that. So we gotta put some antifreeze up in this mug, but do you hear that? The difference. It can breathe now. Yes, sir. Let's go. Job well done again. Let's go.